Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a control key not working on keyboard in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is click on search, and then we need to type in cmd command prompt and run it as administrator. Click on yes, and now for the first command we need to type in this here, msdt.exe ID keyboard diagnostic. So I'm going to jot that in here and then hit enter. Make sure to copy the whole code. I missed out a letter, so I'm going to do that again. Hit enter. Then from here it will say troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems keyboard, find and fix problems with your computer's keyboard. So click next, and now what it's going to do, it's going to detect any issues. If there is any issues, it'll go ahead and fix it. From here, go ahead and click close. And now for the next one, copy this. I'm going to leave this in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Now chuck that in here and hit enter. And now it's going to troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. So find and fix problems with devices and hardware. So want to run this, click next. And now this is going to go ahead and detect any problems. If there is any problems, it will go ahead and try and fix it. Then from here, click on search and type in device manager and open it up. Now you want to go ahead and find your keyboards. Here it is here, expand it, and then right click on your device keyboard and click on update driver. And then it'll say, how do you want to search for drivers? Recommend doing search automatically for drivers. So let it go ahead and search for any updates. If there isn't any updates, it will say the best drivers for your device are already installed. So go ahead and close that. And then once you've done that, go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.